Today, I'll show you how to update your Steam store country. Whether you've moved to a new country or need to update your store location for other reasons, this guide will take you through the process step by step. It's important to ensure that your Steam store country matches your current location, as this can affect your purchase options and regional pricing. So, let's get started. First, open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see your profile name. Clicking on your profile name will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Details. This section is where you'll find all the important information related to your Steam account, including your purchase history and store settings. Next, locate the Store and Purchase History section. Here, you'll see an option to Update Store Country. Click on this link to begin the process of changing your store country. It's crucial to have your country set correctly to access the right content and pricing for your region. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance while updating your store country, you can contact Steam support for help. To do this, click on the Contact Steam support link. This will guide you to the Steam support page where you can get assistance with any problems you might face during this process. Now, scroll down on the Steam support page until you see another Contact Steam support button. Click this button to proceed. You'll be prompted to select your country of residence. Make sure to choose the country where you currently reside, as this will align your account with the correct regional store. After selecting your country, you will need to provide some details about your request. This includes explaining why you're updating your store country. Be as clear and concise as possible to ensure that Steam support can assist you effectively. You might also need to attach a file to support your request. This could be a utility bill, a bank statement, or any official document that proves your residency in the new country. To do this, click on the Attach File option and select the file from your computer. Make sure the document is clear and legible to avoid any delays. Finally, after filling out all the necessary information and attaching your file, click Send. This will submit your request to Steam support. They will review your submission and, if everything is in order, update your store country accordingly. Updating your Steam store country is an essential step if you've relocated or need to align your account with your current residence. By following these steps, you ensure that your account is up to date, allowing you to enjoy the best gaming experience with the appropriate regional settings. If you ever find yourself needing to change your store country again, simply revisit this guide and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.